Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. Today I am going to teach you how to fix your game if it requires a system restart to play Valorant. So make sure that you stay until the end of the video so you won't miss any important steps. Let's get on it. First, what you can do is to restart your PC. So if you haven't tried it yet, you can click the start and then go to the power and click the restart button to reboot your computer. And after that, launch the Valorant to see if you still get the system restart requirement. And if the reboot doesn't work, you need to try the other solutions that I am going to show you. So next, what you can do is to run Valorant as administrator. So the system restart information may indicate there is a permission issue. So in theory, Valorant should run properly whether it is in administrator mode or not. But if this game doesn't have permission of certain services, you cannot play Valorant with the error. So your game requires a system restart to play in Windows 11 or 10. So to fix it, you can launch this game or the Valorant as administrator. What you can do first is to right click onto the Valorant on your desktop and then just simply choose the properties on the menu. And then go to the compatibility tab and check the box of run this program and as administrator, and then just simply click the apply and then OK to let the change take effect. And then what you can do next is to run Valorant in compatibility mode. So if you play Valorant on an old version of Windows for Windows 8 or older, this game may not work normally. So that is because this game or the Valorant is designed mainly for Windows 10, although it can run in some old Windows system. And to remove your game requires a system restart to play error. You can upgrade your old Windows version to Windows 10 if you don't want to update, run Valorant in compatibility mode. So to do that, right click on to the Valorant and choose again the properties and go to compatibility. And then on the checkbox, you can check the box of the run this program in compatibility mode 4. And then select Windows 8 or an older system and save the change. And then what you can do next is to enable Vanguard service. So write Vanguard, a new anti-cheat system is required to run Valorant. If the service is disabled due to some reason, you may receive the Valorant system restart loop. So to fix it, enable this service by following the steps below. So what you can do first is to press the window plus R key and type this msconfig and just click on OK. And under the services tab, locate the VGC service and then check the box next to it. So just like this on the picture, and click apply and then OK to enable the VGC and service. And then what you'll need to do is to restart and check if the Valorant issue is removed. So if this way cannot work, you need to set the service to automatically run. And to do that, press again the window plus R key and type the services .msc and click the OK and locate VGC again and double click on it. And this time in the startup type section, choose the automatic. Besides, click start to run this service. And then lastly, you can save the change. And then next, what you can do is to update the drivers. Sometimes outdated drivers can lead to Valorant not working with the error. Your game requires a system restart to play. So keep your drivers updated, and to update drivers, you can use a third-party driver, update software like Driver Easy or Driver Booster, and other more. And then what you can do and lastly is to uninstall and reinstall Valorant. So to fix Valorant error, you can choose to remove this game from your PC and reinstall it in your Windows 11 or 10. So just launch Control Panel and click the uninstall a program and then uninstall this game. And then after doing so, just then install it again to see if the issue is fixed. So Remember that you can always pause this video or go back to the video and follow the steps at your own time. And that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and click notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.